Computers are designed to control you. Sounds like a wild conspiracy, right? But stick around because the history of computer isn't just about innovations and progress. It's a story of power, manipulation, and let's be honest, a few terrifying mistakes. Before computers were sleek, overpriced slab of metal and glass, they were massive, room size. They weren't built for you. They were built for war. The first real computer like the ENIAC in the 1940s were military tools designed to calculate missile trajectories. That's right, the original gamers were generals planning the most high stakes FPS imaginable. But it did not stop there. Governments realized computers could process vast amount of information faster than any human, and hence the massive surveillance was born. The NSA, for example, started using early computers to crack codes and monitor communications. Today, that same concept powers the algorithms tracking everything you do online. Think about it. Your computer knows you better than your best friend. Fast forward to the 1970s, computers started shrinking and suddenly companies see dollar signs. IBM, Microsoft, Apple, these guys weren't just selling tech. They were selling a future where computers dictated how you worked, played, and even thought. The personal computer wasn't about giving people power. It was about making them dependent. Have you ever tried to go a day without your phone or a laptop? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And speaking of control, let's talk about proprietary softwares. In the early days, software was shared freely. Anyone could tweak and improve it. Then companies like Microsoft locked everything behind the paywalls and said, no, you got to pay up first. Suddenly, the idea of owning your own computer became a thing of the past. Now you might be thinking, okay, but the internet gave power back to the people, right? Yes, good one. Sure, the internet democratized the information, but it also became the ultimate tracking tool. Social media platforms, search engines, and even your friendly neighborhood e-commerce site collecting everything. Your clicks, your searches, your late night impulse buys, nothing is private. And here is where it gets fun. Big tech companies figure out they could use all this data to predict and manipulate your behavior. Have you ever searched for something on the Google and then seen an ad for it on Instagram 2 minutes later? Yes, that's not magic. That's data harvesting at work. You are not the customer. You are the product. If computers started as military tools and evolved into serverless machines, what's next? AI. Let's be honest, AI is both incredible and terrifying. It can write essays, create art, and even drive cars, but AI learns from you. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Sounds great until you realize AI doesn't just learn, it predicts and controls. Algorithms decide what news you see, what videos you watch, and even what you believe. Deep fakes blur reality. AI generated voices can mimic anyone, and pretty soon distinguishing a real from the fake will be impossible. If that's not the ultimate form of a control, I don't know what is. So, were computers designed to control you? Well, yes, but here is the thing. Knowledge is power. The more you understand how tech is shaping your life, the more you can push back. Using privacy tools, be mindful of what you share, and maybe give your computer a break before it officially becomes your overlord.